Hello ladies and gentlemen, we are doing a unboxing and first impression video of the MPOW M30 true wireless earbuds. Come in this kind of self-explanatory package and we can go through some of the details here. So we got Bluetooth standard version 5, operation of 10 meters, music time for 5 hours and talk time for 20 hours. I'm assuming that includes the charger. Charging time is 2 hours, 1 amp, 5 volts. Wireless profiles, it's got A2 DP, which is the one I'm looking for. AVR CP is something I've seen a lot more recently. I'll try and put some information on screen about what those are. Twin mono mode, which is great for me. If I'm going walking, I like to have one ear free, just in case someone passes by and says something. Waterproof, touch control, bass. Oh, bass plus. Okay. Ooh, someone in the market department's got a bit antsy there, and they just want to be. Oh, we got bass plus. Okay. Anyway, so Hamburg is the importer of compliance. I don't really understand what's going on there, but they're made in China. So let's get straight into it. It's a sleeve on the outside, so try and do this one hand. That focused. Okay, bent far too much checking that then. So there we go. So we got left and right earbuds and the charging case. Take the charging case out. It's USB-C. Nice. That's what I like to see. Little LED there by the looks of it. Can I do it one hand? Yes, do it one hand. Cool, left and right in the right places. That doesn't really bother me, but I know it bothers a lot of other people. Simple as that. Is there any LED currently on? Focus. Yes, I think it's a little purple one. It's a little tiny purple one. So here we have the Bluetooth headphones. This is the right one. Just make sure that's focusing. There we go. That's touch control, microphone. Pretty good to be fair, and obviously the left one's going to be the same. What we got? Yeah, it's the same. Oh, flashing no for some reason. Oh no, it's not. That's just a reflection on it. Yeah. So we'll put them in and then have a little look at those in a second. What else we got? Oh, it's flashing red currently. Oh, one-handed. We have a very small USB, very small, very thin USB-C cable. It's a flat cable. As usual stuff. MPOW. USB, it's USB-C to USB-A, so handy. We have the outer ear cups, so they can be changed. Okay, I'm not going to get them out because there's going to be various sizes, but yeah. And we've got our in-ear buds as well, the different sizes on those, and an auto pairing setup. Power on the LED, pair mode, and LED light. Search Bluetooth name. Basically standard stuff, really. Oh, okay. That's the correct way to have them, is inside your ear, as you'd imagine. Oh, okay, so it loops the sizes, and one sticks in front of the other. Cool. Give them a twist. Okay. Oh, okay, how to know the remaining battery levels. Blue light is 75 to 100, pink, and red. Cool. Nice. So if you get that read, basically that's telling you how to do it in mono mode. Let's see if you lose one. And then it's reset. Okay. And touch controls. So volume up, keep touching it. Volume up will be increasingly. Basically turn volume up. Double tap next track on the right bud. Tap once for play and pause. Answer any calls. Double tap on reject call. Keep touching for 1 second. Activate series. Triple tap. Simple. With buds like this, I don't expect them to be programmable either, because there's no app by the looks of it. And then left bud is the same, other than when you double tap, it does the previous track. Cool. All right then. So user manual. We're not going to go through that because it seems quite obvious. And if you're watching this video, I hope you already know how earbuds work, because. Well, just because I bought these because my last pair actually left out by the reservoir, which is a bit of a shame because they were really good. So I'm hoping these lock in my ear because I have Huawei earbuds and they currently are absolutely useless for going running and walking. They're great for noise cancellation and noise isolation, but yeah, I can't use them when I'm going on my walks. So let's pop these in and see what they're like. Okay, so they're in. They don't stick out that far actually. If we look closely, we can see where they twist in when you put them in and then twist. That is very sealed. I can barely hear anything out of that ear at all now. Sorry for my face. Same goes to this one. So yeah, it's a comfortable fit. I haven't put any of the extra holders in or the extra tips. The ones out of the box for me, which are the mediums for both, yeah, they're solid. Absolutely solid. So I've been dog sitting this weekend and I thought I'd take the MPOWs for a little run. I've only got one in because I want to be able to hear people as going by. As you can see, I've been running a fair bit. Hasn't come out once. There's literally no give. They're actually really good for running and jogging, especially when you've got this thing pulling you quite often. So I rate them very highly for that. I've done both ears as well. Same thing. I do find that the left one is a bit tighter, but that's my ear. Obviously not due to the buds themselves. So overall, activity-wise, really good. So I'm out in the Welsh countryside with both ears in now. And I've got Ted's dog who's wet. What can I say? Bass is rather good. Noise cancellation is very good. I might actually be shouting. Obviously, the recording from this is coming from the earbuds themselves. They do pick up wind quite a bit, but other than that, it's really good. The closure around your ear, as long as you've got the right cups in, stellar. Literally just about here. Obviously, you can pick it up on the mic, but I can't hear that. So yeah, really recommend. So that concludes the unboxing and the first impressions. Once again, it's really good dog. Really good for the cost. I think it was £23. I'll put it in. I'll put it by here. But yeah, they're perfect replacements for the ones I lost. Normally I don't lose headphones, so I was kind of gutted. But to be fair, these ones are better than the ones I previously had. So that's all good. So yeah, like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video or if it was handy, and then yeah, I'll catch you in the next one.